Hello guys, welcome to the 8th video of HTML5 tutorial series, and today we will learn how to create tables using HTML. Before we begin with our code, let's go through the structure of HTML tables. A HTML table is defined by the table tag. As you know, tables allow us to arrange data into rows and columns. So we can define a row with a tr tag which stands for table row, and the td tag is used to create data cells. Then we have the table heading which is defined using the th tag. As the first row of the table is the table heading, the td tag is replaced by the th tag in the first row, which makes the text in the th elements bold and centered, while the text in td elements are regular and left aligned. Before starting to code, let's see the structure of the table that we are going to create. As you can see in this picture, I want to create a table which contains the details of a student having 3 columns, which are roll number, name and age. Then we have 4 rows, out of which the first row is the heading. Now you can see the HTML snippet on the screen. So within the table tags, we need 4 tier tags to create 4 rows. But the first row should contain 3 th tags to define the cells of the heading, and the rest 3 rows should contain 3 td tags each to contain the data that we want to fill in the cells. So the immediate abbreviation for creating the table will be something like this. First write the table tag followed by closing angular bracket, and then we need 4 rows which will divide into 2 parts. The first part will contain one tier tag with 3 th tags inside, so we can write within parentheses tr followed by closing angular bracket, then th multiply with 3. Then we need to add the plus sign to add the second part, and in the second part we want 3 tier tags with 3 td tags inside each tier. For that we can write within parentheses tr multiply with 3, then closing angular bracket followed by td multiply with 3. The tag mentioned after the angular bracket goes inside the tag mentioned before the angular bracket. Now if we hit enter, then the entire table structure is created, so we can fill the data inside the tags. Roll number, name, age. In the first td tag, we will fill the roll number. In the second tag, we will fill the name of the student, and in the third tag, we need to fill the age. As we have filled all the data, let's save the code. So you can see in the browser window that the table is created. But as you can notice, it doesn't really look like a table. This is because it lacks a border. So let's add a border to it. To do that, we have an attribute called border. Let's add the border attribute inside the table tag and save it. So this adds a border to our table. But I also want to add some padding to our table cells so that it looks more cleaner. For that, I'll use the width attribute. So inside the table tag, I'll write width and give 100%. So what will this do? This will allow our table to occupy the maximum amount of space available. So now if I save it, you can see on the browser that our table looks lot more cleaner now. This also makes the table mobile responsive. So if we increase the screen size, the table size will also increase. So that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.